Welcome to the lecture series of Industrial and Technology Management. This is the fifth semester subject of Electrical Engineering, SPPU Pune. Myself, Anurag Madhukar Devolkar. I am the Assistant Professor in Science Department of Electrical Engineering in Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. In this lecture, we will do the overview of this particular course. The course title is Industrial and Technology Management. Subject code 311121. This particular course has been designed and keeping some objectives. These objectives are as follows. The first one is the students or the graduates shall possess knowledge of types of business organizations. They should be able to explore the fundamentals of economics and management through this particular subject. Another objective is the student will be able shall understand the basic concepts of technology management and quality management, analyze and differentiate between marketing management and financial management. Many of the times we hear this particular terms management, but this particular management is different for the marketing, is different from the finance, is different for the economics, is different for the any other different management. So how we will analyze in brief and differentiate between these different types of managements. Then the student shall recognize the importance of motivation, group dynamics, teamwork, leadership. What are the skills which comes under the leadership and the entrepreneurship? Students shall identify the important patents, copyrights, and trademarks. Because nowadays it's not just about the management of the people or the engineers which are working in your firm. It is also about the innovation. It is also about some unique activities or unique policies that any firm or any individual or a group observes. Okay. So after successful completion of this particular course, after designing this course, we are expecting that the students will be able to differentiate between, that means you actually will be able to differentiate between different types of businesses and discuss the fundamentals of economics and management. Okay. Next one is explain the importance of technology management and quality management. As we have seen that the finance management is there, there is technology management. Similarly, there is quality management also, and we'll see its importance in the industry. Next, the student shall be able to describe the characteristics of marketing and its types. Marketing is very, very important, and management also comes for this particular type, because we have to promote or any goods or services. If you produce somewhere or some part of the world, you will market it somewhere. So what are the characteristics of marketing, we'll see in this particular course, and we are expecting after completion of this course we'll be able to describe and find its characteristics. The last but not the least, for a good leader, what are the qualities that we are going to see in this particular course, and at the end of this course you will be able to identify or discuss these qualities. Okay, so we'll go deep into this contents of first and up to 6 units one by one. First unit consists of the introduction to managerial and economic demands. Okay, it is divided into two parts: managerial economics and management. The managerial economics is basically about the basic concepts of the economics and the management, the laws of the demand and supply, elasticity of demand and supply, very basic things. Okay, and demands or the forecasting of the demand. Half of the part is dedicated to the management, the definition, the meaning, the scope, function, importance of management, difference between the administration and management. Many of the times we don't find any difference between management and administration, but there is or there is not. What are the similarities and differences that we are going to see in this particular unit? Types of business ownership, sole proprietorship, limited liable partnership, business organizations types like the line organization, line and staff organization, and functional organization, joint stock companies, public limited, private limited, and PSUs. Second unit is technology and industry management, where we will see the concepts of the technology and the industrial management. What are the technology and the management and the industry and the management? The definitions of technology management and its relation with the society, classification of technology, management of technology at various levels. In the what is its importance in the national economy, national interest, and what are the ethics in technology management, critical factors in technology management. These are very important factors. Okay. As a student, we are supposed to aware about these things, because this is not just if you want to achieve some profit through any firm or any organization. You just can't do or achieve that particular profit by hook or crook. There are possible ethics policies defined by the government or they defined by the authorities. Those we are supposed to follow and get the authorized or the legal profit. Third unit is about the quality management. Quality management is day by day, if you see, or we are already aware about the products of the or the quality of the products which are coming from the China or we import from the China. We there is this saying that there is no guarantee about the products of the China. If they will work, they will work for the lifetime. If they won't even up to the evening or 1 hour also. So that is the quality issue that we face. It's not just the quality of the products, it's also the quality of the policies, the quality of the functioning of the management. So here we will see some basic definitions of the quality, continuous improvement types of qualities, and some assisting tools which are used in industries. The Pareto analysis, Pokayoke, TQM, 5SS. But there is this one case study, Six Sigma quality management standards, quality management system, the ISO standards 14001 to 2004, environmental management system standards. Quality management also includes, very importantly, the environmental management systems. Fourth unit is about the marketing and financial management. Marketing management consists, this particular point consists market, meaning, characteristic and its types, perfect competition, monopoly, monopolistic competition, oligopoly. These are the different types of competitions that we see in the market. Marketing and selling, marketing planning, market survey, and market research, online marketing, financial. Another part of it is financial management. It will consist of the basic concepts, the definition, and the cost, types of cost of goods and services, the methods of costing any particular goods and services, the price, capital, debit, credit, books of accounts, and finance accounts. Fifth unit is about the human resource management. Industry is not just about the machineries, but the people who runs that particular machineries, the mind behind development of any particular process. Okay, those comes under the human resources, starting from the higher management to the pune or any or everybody in between, or those are the human resources, okay, which helps the system to flow, so system to function properly. So the introduction to the motivation, theories of the work motivation or the human resource management, we have to continuously motivate the people, the human resources, to act as best as possible as per their qualities. And this management is about the not just about one person, or it is also about the groups. Okay, so the group dynamics, types, interactions, groups, stages of group dynamics, those comes as norming, storming, forming, performing, and adjourning. Leadership qualities, what are the different leadership qualities? Human resource management, introduction, importance, scope. HR, what is HR planning, or how the recruitment process is, or what is the selection criteria, and what are the techniques behind it. We'll see. Entrepreneurship as the last unit. One can work in the industry owned by some other person, and one can also start as a self-employment, either. Correct. So this is the modern entrepreneurship, is the modern area where the students or the any individual can start their own businesses, develop their own ideas, and work on it, and can gather people to work on the same idea, which can able to generate the profit as well as generate the employment. So this entrepreneurship is the last unit where we will see the basic concepts of it. What are the traits, qualities of any entrepreneur, importance and limitations of rational decision making under certainty, uncertainty, and what is the risk, incentives for small business developments, government policies, and incentives. Case study of small scale industries in India. We'll see the introduction towards the intellectual property rights, meaning of IPR. What are the different forms of IPR, patents, criteria for securing patents, patent formats and structure, copying, and trademark. Okay. So this is about the all the contents of this particular subject, industrial and technology management. Okay. Hope you have got some basic idea how this subject is divided. Okay. So these are the some textbooks which are available in the library. OP Khanna, these are the authors. Okay. OP Khanna is one of the very famous and popular book. Okay. These are some reference book that you can refer either in the soft copies or going through some internet. Also, few of these are available in the college library also. Okay. So in the next lecture, we'll see the first unit. We'll start the first unit with basic concepts. Okay. Till then, take care. Thank you.